Hello everyone, my name's Bugs Bunny. Welcome to the new game show, Not Survivor. Let's introduce your contestants. Anne, Bob, Carl, Dora, Ed, and Fran. Let's get ready to play. The rules of the game are as follows. All 6 contestants have been placed on an island. Anne goes first. She is given a bag that everyone knows contains 6 gold coins. Anne makes a proposal of how to allocate the 6 coins among the 6 contestants, including herself. The contestants, including Anne, then vote yes or no on the proposal. If the proposal gets more than half the votes, then the coins are allocated according to the proposal and everyone leaves the island. If the proposal gets half or fewer than half the votes, then Anne has to leave the island empty-handed and she is out of the game. In this case, the bag of 6 gold coins passes to Bob. He gets to make a proposal of how to allocate the coins among the remaining contestants, including Bob but excluding Anne, and the remaining contestants then vote. As before, if the proposal gets more than half the votes, then the coins are allocated according to the proposal and everyone leaves the island. If the proposal gets half or fewer than half the votes, then Bob is removed from the island, empty-handed, and is out of the game. In this case, the bag of 6 coins passes to Carl, and so on, with the same voting rules. Each failed proposal leading to the expulsion of the proposer, and with the role of proposer being passed alphabetically. The following assumptions matter. The coins are indivisible, there is no other money on the island, and side contracts to make payments off the island are not allowed. There are no abstentions. Each surviving voter must vote yes or no. Whenever a voter is indifferent, she or he votes no. The player only cares about the gold. For example, leaving empty-handed because your proposal failed is the same as leaving empty-handed because of a successful proposal. Finally, it is common knowledge that all contestants were well trained in game theory at Yale. Let's begin. We're going to look at how to win this game from the perspective of Anne to see if she's able to leave this island with gold successfully without being voted off the island. In order to do so, we're going to look forward and reason backward by starting with Fran. Now, if Fran is the only one on the island, then she can take all 6 gold coins and vote yes, and thus she wins the game. Now let's look at Ed's strategy. In order for Ed to get Fran's vote, he must make her better than indifferent, or else she will vote no and choose her own proposal. In order to do so, Ed must offer Fran 6 gold coins. However, that will leave her only indifferent to her own proposal, and she will vote no, and Ed will have to leave the island. Ed cannot win this game. Now let's look at this from Dora's perspective. Dora only needs to win more than half of the remaining 3 players. In order to make Ed better off than his own proposal, she only has to offer Ed 1 gold coin, and then she can take the other 5 and also vote yes on the proposal. So she has 2 yeses and 1 no, and she wins. Now let's look at Carl's best proposal. He needs to win at least 3 of the votes. He's going to offer Fran 1, which is better than Dora's previous proposal where Fran received 0. He's going to offer Ed 2, which is better than in Dora's previous proposal where Ed receives 1, and he will take the remainder for himself, and his proposal will succeed. Now let's look at Bob's best proposal. He can offer Fran 2, which is better than where previously she received 1. He cannot beat Ed's, and he cannot offer Ed anything. He can offer 1 to Dora, who previously received 0, and then take the remaining 3 for himself. He now has 3 of the 5 votes, and his proposal succeeds. Now we come back to Anne. In order for Anne to win, she must get 4 out of the 6 votes. So, she will offer 1 to Ed, 2 to Dora, and 1 to Carl. In this situation, Ed is receiving 1, which is better than his previous 0 under Bob's proposal. Dora is receiving 2, which is better than her previous 1 under Bob's proposal. And Carl is receiving 1, which is better than his previous 0 under Bob's proposal. She will take the remaining 2, her proposal will succeed, and she will win the game.